Lot T153.1 is a 1962 Ford Galaxie with a 390 cubic inch V8 with 375 horsepower and a 4-speed transmission. And it sold for $25,300 on Thursday, October 30th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 37,451 miles. And highlights are 390, 375 horsepower V8 engine, 4-speed manual transmission with Hurst shifter, sun tachometer, Wimbledon white with red and white two-tone interior, front bench seat, AM/FM radio, highly detailed engine bay and trunk compartment, and American Racing torque thrust wheels, which look pretty good on the car. And apparently the owner on this one made the engine that Ford never did, 390 with 375 horsepower. That would have been a lot better in the Bullitt Mustang and some of the other ones. I'm pretty sure that Ford only had 320 horsepower, or 330 was their highest rating. So this guy punched this one out or did something to it and added quite a bit of horsepower to it. Plus it's a bench seat 4-speed. And if you like the 62 full-size Fords, the Galaxie, this is probably going to give you the quickest one that's out there, unless it's got a 406 with 401 horsepower. But either way, it was a bargain for $25,300. The car's already all done. It's got a good look to it, ready to cruise, and you're in the game for only $25,000. Can't beat that. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.